So hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll unbox Samsung Galaxy M31. So as you can see, this is the box, and at the front you can see the poster of M31, and I got the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage variant, and this is the space black color. So let us cut the seal first of all. And now let us take out the lid of this box. So as you can see, at the very first side we have the smartphone. So this is the smartphone wrapped in plastic, as you can see. Let us keep it aside for a moment. And now we have also got one mini box in which some paperwork is present. I'll show you. This is the paperwork, the regional look guides, quick start guide, and warranty card, etc. And now we have the 15-watt fast charger, as you can see. And at the last we got the type A to type C charging cable. So this was it in the box, and we also get one SIM ejector tool. Let me just unwrap this phone. So let's just take it out. Okay, so this is the smartphone, and as you can see, let me just take out the sticker. Okay, so this is how the smartphone looks, and the color is decent. And here you can see the charging port, the headphone jack, and the speaker grill. And here we have the SIM card slot. At the above we have a noise cancellation mic, and at the back here we have the fingerprint sensor with the quad camera setup. So I'll also post one video on the review of this phone, so please do subscribe the channel and like the video. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.